In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get PNG images to work in Affinity Photo. If you've ever brought a PNG into an editor and wondered why it doesn't look right, or you're just not sure of the correct way to get started, this walkthrough will clear it up. PNG files are great because they support transparency, so things like logos and cutouts can sit cleanly over any background without a visible box. The key is simply opening them the right way so Affinity Photo recognizes everything as it should. First, open Affinity Photo. Give it a moment to load the workspace. You don't need to create a new document for this process. We're going to bring the PNG straight into the app so it retains its original size and transparency. Next, head to the menu bar and click File at the top. This is where all your import options live. Using the menu ensures Affinity Photo handles the file correctly, rather than dragging and dropping and accidentally placing it as an embedded element when you just want to edit the image itself. Choose Open from the dropdown. A file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder where your PNG is stored, then select the file. If you don't immediately see it, make sure the file type filter is set to show PNG or all compatible files. The preview might show a checkerboard behind your image. That's a good sign, indicating the transparent areas. If the preview is small or looks dark, don't worry. What matters is that it's the correct PNG you want to work with. Finally, click Open. Your PNG will load onto the canvas. If the image has transparency, you'll see a gray checkerboard in those transparent regions. If you see solid white where you expected transparency, that usually means the PNG actually contains white pixels rather than transparent ones. At this point, you're ready to edit, resize, or export as needed, knowing the file has been brought in properly. That's all there is to it. Open Affinity Photo, go to File, choose Open, pick your PNG, and click Open. Simple, reliable, and ready for whatever you create next.